This is the DeWalt bit set. It has a lot of bits inside. It has these drill bits here. Has the thing you put these little small bits into your drill or impact, either one. And it has the long bits too. It has a variety of bits. It has a decent, a pretty, in my opinion, a good variety of drill bits. And this is 110 pieces, it says. I don't know what that's counting, just the bits, or if it's counting the cases and everything. But it's a good looking kit. You might want to check it out and see if it'd be something that you would like. It's made by DeWalt, and you might want to check it out and see what you think about it. This is Jeff for Jeff's This and That channel. Until next time, bye for now.